Guys, so you know how I originally had the tools out a while back for my friend's 2015 Toyota Camry to replace starter? Well, he got his two mechanics, he called. They weren't able to do it because they made up excuses on why they couldn't do it. So instead I got my tools back out again for it. So plastic pry tool set, then 10mm, then 14mm, 10mm, 10mm, 12mm, 14mm combination wrench, flathead screwdriver, 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive ratchets, 3/8 drive extension, 2 3/8 drive 3-inch extensions, a 1/4 inch drive 4-inch extension, 3/8 drive to 1/4 inch adapter, and then for sockets I have 12mm 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 1/4 inch drive, which is 10mm. Then I have 14mm 3/8 drive. Then I have 14mm 3/8 drive. You know the 6-point and 12-point. Sometimes I like put 12-point up because I really don't even need that joker. But it's all 6-point shit. And then 9/16 3/8 drive. Then 14mm, I think 12-point, which I can honestly cut these two up because I don't need 12-point, I only need the 6-point crap. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icons again if I want to upload live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep it on the community tab until YouTube makes featured to get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.